Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you step by step kung paano mag-generate ng Payment Reference Number or PRN at paano magbayad ng SSS contribution online. Hindi na kailangan agad pumunta sa SSS branch. Pwedeng gawin ang PRN generation online through my.sss. So gusto mong ipagpatuloy ang iyong hulog bilang voluntary members? Watch this video till the end and I'll show you where to click and what information to enter and how to complete online payments. So let's start! Paano mag-generate ng PRN para sa voluntary member? Saan mas mura na service fee? Ang bilyero or ang MYEG? So, log in into your account. Click Get PIN and enter OTP. So, this is the member dashboard. Then, click Payment Reference Number. Then, click Contributions. Choose Member Type. Select Applicable Month. Then, select Premium Contributions. Depende sa inyo guys kung magkano ang contributions na pipiliin ninyo. Then, click Generate PRN. PRN generated. Review the details below for payment. After review the details, click Pay button. Then, choose a payment method. So, I have suggestion guys. Piliin po ninyo itong MYEG. Kumpara sa bilyero, ang bilyero napakamahal ng service fee, 100 plus. Samantalang ang MYEG, ang service fee niya lang ay 15 pesos. So, next mong gagawin ay pipindutin mo yung MYEG button. Then, click Continue button. So, after mo mapindot, yung continue, ito yung mag-a-appear. SSS Loans and Contribution Online Payment. So, makikita mo dyan kung magkano ang babayaran mo. Then, click Proceed button. Choose a payment below and fill out the following information. So, may apat na pagpipilian. Mobile, credit or debit card, bank transfer, or over the counter. So, ang pinili ko ay mobile. Then, GCash. So, pipindutin mo lang yung GCash. Then, makikita mo dyan yung payment details. Yung order number, pangalan, product description, amount, convenience fee. Makikita mo yan, guys, 15 pesos lang siya. Then, after, pipindutin mo lang yung I understand that MYEG and I understand that all convenience fees are strictly non-refundable. So, after mo ma-check yung dalawang box, i-click mo lang yung Proceed button. Tapos, madadirect ka sa GCash account mo. Mag-login ka lang sa GCash, tapos, i-scan mo yung QR code, then, bayaran mo na. So, ayun mga ka-SSS, ganun lang kadali ang pag-generate ng PRN at pagbayad ng SSS contribution online. Kung nagustuhan mo ang tutorial na ito, paki-like, subscribe, and share na din para marami tayong matutulungan. Comment below kung anong gusto nyong next na tutorial natin. See you sa next video. Bye-bye!